Welcome back to another episode of Wyoming Family Adventures. So we have the bike on the stand because after we do the bar riser, we're going to lower the front end. It's 6mm for the bar clamps. And we're just going to completely remove this top bar clamp. And just spin these out all together. So take these risers, which this particular one is just a spacer that fits into the bar clamp. So, and I'm using the factory clamp bolts here and here. And then I got a not quite so tough set that came with the risers, but they should be fine for this. These are 6mm, if I remember again. And as you can see, now we are lifted up enough that we're going to clear our forks that are sticking up out of the triple trees from lowering it. Tighten that up, and then we'll do the same thing on the other side. So I do have to pull these all the way off to get it over the bar. Gonna go just until these feel a tad bit of resistance and no more. We are got about an equal amount poking out on each side, just a hair over an 1/8 inch, 3/32, and putting the bars so the levers are just a slight angle down. Generally, you want your brake reservoir to be about level on top. So I snugged up the front bolts first and then tightening the back ones. There we go. And might have been able to use the factory top clamp here. It should have lined up, honestly. But I'm intentionally leaving the factory one off and using the blocks from this aftermarket one because it opens this spot up here for mounting stuff. I just noticed there's a weep hole in the bottom of the bar there. I don't know if I'll be able to show that to you guys. But right in the bottom of that bar, you can see it right there, is a weep hole. I didn't realize it was there because, you know, before it was hidden by the clamp. Anyway, that opens up a spot here for you know, phone mount or whatever. Now that the bar risers are on, there's room to move the forks up in the triple trees, which is how we lower the front end. Stay tuned for the next episode as we show you that.